You see, this life no balance. Anything where you wish for person, na that same thing go come back to you. As we dey talk right now, they say that the Asari Dokubo for China, they even waka again. Na people they hold am hand, they waka. Almighty Asari Dokubo cannot stand on his 2 feet again and walk on China as we dey talk right now. As this one they happen, they say that the Edo security, where they call ESSN. They say these people don't discover big Fulani village for inside the Edo state. I no go call them Câmp. They build, they expand, they go. They born pikin, they bring all their children or everybody, they come for inside that place. So this one they happen for Edo state. Now be the latest discovery for inside Edo state today as we they talk. My people, now this same thing, this governor of Enugu state, they want do for Enugu people. Please, the Imo State people should check all their bushes, check all your forests. Everybody be checking your forests. These people have no good intention, because if you want to live in the society, what is holding you to go and rent house and live as a normal human being? Why are you going to the bushes and burning children and building your houses and taking over their forests? Because when your forest is gone, the city is remain. So one day they will force you to recognize them as one village in also your village. My people, Edo people, now waiting they discover today. Okay, my people, let's jump inside this matter and find out how it happen for inside that side. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. Please share this video and make sure say you follow this channel for more updates. I'm going to play this video. How the Asari Dokubo where they see am, where they come down from plane, you go see as people take hold am and how they take carry and put inside wheelchair. This na Asari Dokubo where they make mad say in go buy all the whole Igbos. Now the ancestors don't come hold am for inside wheelchair. Watch the video. My wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, that na Asari Dokubo, now you they see like this. My people, I'm going to show you this video from Edo State and see the discovery where they make today of how Fulanese take they collect inside their village, they build their hut, they go. Just watch the video.
This is Fulani camp inside forest. This is Edo State Security Network on Bush Kobe. Yes, this is where they stay. This is their heart. Fulani camp at ESSN West local government in the village called Battery village now. Ishuliri. In the camp called Ishuliri. This is their camp, Fulani camp, where they stay. It's evil at the local government. Okay, Agbede. Okay, this is Agbede. We entered through ESSN West and finally landed ourselves at Agbede. This is a camp where the Fulani stays. Look at it. Look at it. This is where they stay. These are members of State Security Network. Member of State Security Network in their camp at Agbede Anzis. In the Edo State local government, in the Edo State of Nigeria, Agbede Anzis. This is where the states constitute evil. Now look at them, look at their children. Look at their children, look at their children. Look at one of their wife, their mother. Look at it, look at it. Look at it, look at it. A camp where the Fulanis settle down inside the forest in Edo State. This is Agbede Anzis. Kai, look at this. Look at their house. Look at their buildings. Look at their houses. They constructed by themselves where they live inside a tropical forest. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, and that's now the moment where the Edo State security enter for inside this particular site, see what they see for inside there. Things are happening. However, let's show you what happen for inside Lokoja, Abuja Road, the home of Fulan Heřdsmán. You see how they drop peoples for inside roads today. See what happen for there. Watch the video.
This is Abuja, Lokoja Road, with over 500 buses and passengers parked on the road because of a block of 2 trailers of Fulani gunmen barricading and have already kidnapped 7 buses into the forest. Now, these are people parked on the road. We were just lucky to have been informed by one of the trailers not to keep moving, but to park out somewhere, and they resisted the effort of the uniformed men standing on ground. You can see from a distance, where I can't trek to, how buses and passengers are parked on the road, yet no security to disperse the battalion that have come out in numbers with already 3 buses kidnapped into the bush. You can see up here as I'm walking, this is me, Reality Cosmos speaking, who would have also been a victim of the incident, heading to Abuja for a particular event. This is me. You can see me. And here are police officers also left helplessly. As you can watch, those are police officers standing helplessly. You see, this is Nigeria. This is Nigeria. These are police officers with guns, but the guns used by the insurgents are heavier, stronger than what they are carrying, which they confess that they can't do anything because what those people are holding is more. This is the country we find ourselves. This is the country Nigeria is today.
So my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, you know, where we'll talk about Nigeria, some of you who think you are knowledge, you go to school, you know how to speak English, the borrowed language, the slave master language, you know how to use it, so you will not understand. You see, this kind of thing that is happening, it will not stop happening. The only thing that will stop these people from what they are doing is to divide this country so that everyone will have their own country. Let Oduduwa go, let the Hariwas go, and let the Biafrans go. That is the only solution. The Edos, you people have wake up. The Edo states, you people have wake up. When Nandekalo is telling you people, don't allow them, you think Nandekalo is lying. Nah, you form your own security and you went to your bush, you make this discovery. Give this place 20 years, you will see more than 300 houses in this particular environment. And seeing these houses there, they will born, they will bring their children. Tomorrow they will divide to have their own local government in your forest. These people have an agenda. If they don't have an agenda, what is preventing them or going to the landlord of the houses they build and rent and contribute to the economy of the nation as well, than stealing people's forests? Please, if you love good thing and you love what we are doing, share this video. A lot of people need to see what is going on. Share it to every forum you are. Share it to the WhatsApp group you are. They need to see what is going on. Share.